How to delete account on Twilio. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Twilio account. So to get started, go ahead and open twilio.com into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then head over into that specific account inside your account where you want to close your account or delete your account. And then once you're inside it, you'll be able to find this admin drop down at the top right of your screen at the left side of that notifications icon. So go ahead and click on that, and then under that, simply click on account management, and that will take you in here. And then once you scroll down, you'll find this close account button at the right side of the cancel button. So once you click on that, you'll need to go ahead and check all of these check boxes, and then click on that continue button to close your account. And that is how you can basically delete your Twilio account. So there may be different reasons why an individual wants to delete or close their account on Twilio. So make sure to follow this proper way of deleting your account on Twilio to make sure that you have erased all of the data that you have on Twilio before you leave the app. And that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.